Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to sell an NFT Meta set through the bidding style auction. But first of all, you're going to have to connect to your wallet. Now, if you don't know how to connect to your wallet, there is a YouTube video on our YouTube channel that explains how to do that. So after you have logged in, all you need to do is click here, click on Profile, click on My Assets, click on Collected, and click on Sell. And as you can see, now here we can choose the auction type. I'm going to be choosing auction. So I click choose. And here, as you can see, we are setting up the auction. So here we put the time frame. I'm going to put it at 1 minute. The duration of the auction, I'm going to put it at 30 minutes. Here we can put in the earnings. So the token floor price, I'm going to put in 1. The max cap, I'm going to put in 1. Now here, there's a referral program which has 3 levels. The maximum percentage of the referral program is 15%, but it doesn't have to be in all the 3 levels. So that means basically what I can do is put 15% at level 1, and it can stay like that. Or I can put in 8, 4, and for example 3, and it works like that. Or I can just keep it on 0. So just to show you how it works, I'm just going to put in 4, 8 and 3. Here we can select the maximum number of tokens per bid. That means that basically if you have the max cap set at, for example, 10, that means here, if I put it at 1, that means the user can only buy 1 token per that bid. So after you've done all this, you have to read and accept the NFT Meta set policy and click confirm. And here, as you can see, we need to sign the transaction in the Metapro wallet mobile app. So I click confirm, put in my passcode. As you can see, it's waiting for the transaction to succeed. And as you can see, I have now created an auction. But first of all, you can see here the referral fee, in how long it starts, and in how long it ends. You can see the market fee, the royalty fee, and the auction ID. Now, if you want to see where this auction is, what you need to do is click on Assets, Marketplace, and now we have to wait 1 minute for the auction to start. And as you can see, my auction is right here.